I grew up in a family that was very giving. My wife and I give to charities, and my mother was very much involved in our community in a number of charitable events. She started a major um, uh, Catholic bishops charitable event that raised a lot of money in our community, that provides shelter for homeless and other types of things like that. So my mother was very much involved in those kinds of activities, and you know, I got some of that from my mother, and I served on a number of nonprofit boards, our community hospital. When I was an officer in our medical society locally, we started a nonprofit health clinic that provided health care services free for the working poor, and it was funded with charitable donations, and it's still very active and very successful and a pillar in our community now. I served on a rape crisis board. It's a nonprofit organization that helped women and raised awareness, and there were others that I've been involved in over the years. And so I think in every community across this country, there are tremendous leaders who step forward, citizens who give their volunteer time to contribute to these kinds of organizations to make them successful, to ultimately create a better community. And I think it's it's part of our American system, that volunteerism. And it kind of harkens back to, sort of an earlier time where communities were more self-sufficient and took care of their needs. And leaders in those communities stepped up to provide those kinds of services.